Hello friends, hope you all are fine. So friends, today I am going to discuss about the different types of RNA in humans and their functions. Both DNA and RNA are present in all living cells, but unlike DNA, RNA comes in various forms and types. Read these Bodytomy posts to know what is RNA and what are its main types and functions in humans. Did you know? About 5% of the weight of a human cell is RNA, while only 1% of a cell is made up of DNA. DNA, RNA and proteins, the three major micromolecules, are essential for critical functions in the cells of all known forms of living organism. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, plays an important role in the synthesis of RNA, ribonucleic acid. DNA present inside a cell acts as a genetic blueprint, while RNA acts as a messenger and helps the cells to understand the message that are stored in DNA. Cells cannot perform their functions without the help of RNA. Different types of microbes and cells can have different forms of RNA molecules. As you know, protein is essential for almost all biological activities that take place in the human body. Therefore, proper functioning of cells and the body depends upon proper synthesis of proteins. As protein synthesis is one of the major functions of RNA, is crucial for life. The structure and use of proteins varies according to the linear order of amino acid present in it. DNA contains encoded information like a building plan or a blueprint about how to assemble amino acids in their correct order to produce usable proteins. Like an architect, RNA conveys the information and helps execute the plan. What is RNA? Ribonucleic acid, RNA, a family of large biological polymeric molecules, is usually present as a single standard chain of nucleotides. Although there exist several types of RNA molecules, the basic structure of all RNA is similar. A nucleotide contains a nitrogenous base of 5 carbon sugar ribose and at least one phosphate group. Nucleotides are often referred to as the building blocks of nucleic acids. They carry energy ATP present in the cells and play an important role in metabolic process, cell signaling and enzymatic reactions. RNA structure. RNA contains only for nitrogenous base, adenine, cytosine, guanine and uracil. As the RNA attains maturity, the bases and the attached sugar get modified in several ways. The backbone of RNA strand is made up of group of phosphates and ribose, to which 4 bases are attached. RNA strands fold and compress themselves to fit into the tiny space available in a cell. The principal function of RNA is to carry instruction from DNA and regulate the synthesis of proteins. In some viruses, instead of DNA, RNA carries the genetic information. RNA molecules are produced in the nucleus of human cells from DNA by a process called transcriptions, but they are found in the cytoplasm too. DNA is present only in the nucleus of the cell. 3 primary types of RNA: ribosomal RNA, RNA transfer RNA, tRNA and messenger RNA, mRNA are the main types of RNA. Although they play an important role in protein synthesis, they have slightly different functions. Ribosomal RNA and its functions. In the cytoplasm, ribosomal RNA or rRNA forms ribosomes that serves as a primary site for building up proteins. They carry the enzymes necessary for protein synthesis. They are the cell organs that work as complex molecular machines and are referred to as protein factories. They contain a binding site for mRNA and 2 binding sites for tRNA. rRNA is the most abundant form of RNA. The nucleotides in rRNA are present in a globular form. About 80% of the whole RNA present in a eukaryotic cell is rRNA. rRNA makes up ribosomes where proteins are made. Ribosomes move along messenger RNA and act as a cyclist in the process of amino acids assemblage that results in the formation of protein chains. It helps create peptide bonds between amino acids in the polypeptide chain. Because of its presence, the polypeptide is made in a correct way during translation. Thus, rRNA plays a major role in translation. It holds the single-stranded mRNA in place so that the anticodon of tRNA matches up with the codon of mRNA and forms a code for a specific amino acid. A codon is made up of 3 continuous nucleotide bases that make a code for an amino acid or bring about the end of translation. Transfer RNA and its functions. Both tRNA and rRNA are non-coding RNA molecules that play an important role in the process of translations. tRNA constitutes 15% of the total RNA. It has a shape similar to that of a clover leaf. It is a small RNA chain which consists of about 80 nucleotides. It has 3 hairpin loops. An amino acid attachment site is present at one end. The section in the middle loop is called the anticodon site. It matches the particular area codon on mRNA. tRNA brings amino acids to ribosomes during protein synthesis. tRNA along with the ribosomes reads the mRNA codes and produces a polypeptide chain that eventually is used to form a functional protein. Most types of cells have 30 to 40 different tRNA molecules, while there exist 20 different amino acids. Thus, more than one tRNA corresponds to each amino acids. Messenger RNA and its functions. Messenger RNA mRNA transcribes the genetic information about a protein sequence from DNA to ribosomes. mRNA constitutes only 5% of the total RNA. With the help of the cap present at one end, mRNA binds to the ribosome. Along with the genetic information from the amino acid sequence of a protein, mRNA also contains non-coding sequence that may carry operating instruction for the cell. It informs the cell how it should handle the mRNA. The non-coding section of mRNA can vary in length. Then there is an initiation codon which signals the commencement of the coding sequence, and at the end there is the coding region which contains a copy of the genes. The genetic code and the copy of all proteins made in the body is stored in the DNA. This information is first copied transcribed into mRNA. This is the first step in protein synthesis. This process is called transcription. When this is done, the mRNA comes out of the cell nucleus and reaches the cytoplasm of the cell. In the cytoplasm, mRNA gets bound with the ribosomes, which is made of RNA. Every codon in mRNA corresponds to one amino acid. The tRNA serves as the molecular adapter and helps build up the protein. The tRNA binds to mRNA on one end and carries amino acid towards the correct position at the other end. They connect the amino acids according to the codes provided by mRNA. This is called translation. Thus, the arrangement of amino acids in the protein produced depends upon the coding sequence carried by the mRNA. The lifespan of mRNA is very short, although it is crucial for protein synthesis. It constantly broken down by ribonucleases RNAs, sometimes immediately after translation, even before the complete protein is made. It exists for a couple of minutes or at the most for a couple of days. The rRNA and the tRNA are quite stable. RNA classification according to their functions. Protein synthesis. rRNA, tRNA, mRNA, single recognition, practical or SRP RNA that governs the